Namaskar, welcome, Sat Sri Akal. You're joining us here on DD Sports. My name is Sanjeev Mukherjee और क्रिक लाइव पे हम आज बात करेंगे भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम पे। वर्ल्ड T20 ज़्यादा दूर तो है नहीं और जो ऑडिशन चल रहा था श्रीलंका में एक मिनी सीरीज़ में भारत की टीम में जो पहुंचे श्रीलंका में, वहाँ से सिलेक्शन में पास मार्क्स और रादर मोर देन सेटिस्फैक्ट्री मार्क्स मिला सिर्फ 2 प्लेयर्स को अभी तक के लिए इंग्लैंड सफ़र करने के लिए, और सर्टनिटी लग रहा है इस वक्त वर्ल्ड T20 के लिए उन दोनों प्लेयर्स के बारे में एंड अ होस्ट ऑफ अदर प्लेयर्स वी गोना टॉक अप इंडियाज चांसेस एंड जॉइनिंग मी ऑन द शो टू फैंटास्टिक स्पीकर्स, टू फैंटास्टिक जेंटलमैन. Former India spinner Maninder Singh, the one and only Manipa. I'm not going to call you Maninder Singh, I'm going to call you Manipa. कैसे हो Manipa?
Very fine, very fine.
Long time no see.
I know, it's been a long time. Done a show with you.
हाँ, और फाइनली मिल तो गया. और साथ में देखो पाजी, आपके साथ दूसरे पाजी अजय मेहरा जी. पाजी क्या खा के आए हो? शाम को क्या चमक रहे हो आज?
यार आज क्या खा के आए हैं? दोपहर को तो बिरयानी खाई थी. अब देखते हैं इंडिया कैसा खेलती है, फिर उसके साथ माहौल और बनेगा. पर जी हाँ, बहुत मजा आता है. मनीपा जब शो पे होते हैं उनके साथ बहुत मजा आता है, और आपके साथ भी.
जी जी जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Ajay Mehra and Maninder Singh is going to be with us over the next half an hour as we look at ahead to India's chances in the World T20 which is coming up later this year. लेकिन on first glance, Prithvi Shaw and Surya Kumar Yadav seem to have booked the tickets or their flight tickets as far as England is concerned. पृथ्वी को लेके शुरू करते हैं. मनी, पृथ्वी थोड़ा रोलर कोस्टर राइड था. He was in very good nick, performed well in New Zealand. After that, he lost his place in the Indian team. Now he's back with a bang. What do you expect of Prithvi Shaw?
See, he's a very good cricketer. For me, I love watching him, and I've already said it on a number of shows that he's somebody that I will really pay to go on the ground to watch him bat. क्योंकि इतना मज़ा आता है उनको देख के, उनका इतना अच्छा फ्लो है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं कंसिस्टेंसी की कमी है. और ये मुझे लगता है BCCI की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि इतना टैलेंटेड क्रिकेटर अगर कोई कहीं भटक रहा है तो उसको संभालने की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि हमने कई क्रिकेटर्स खो दिए जिनको संभाला नहीं गया. और ये पेरेंट बॉडी जो है आपकी BCCI, उसकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हाउ डू यू हैंडल दीज काइंड ऑफ क्रिकेटर्स हु एक्चुअली समटाइम्स गो हेवायर, and he is one of them. But otherwise, I think he is a fantastic prospect, and I hope that we don't lose any more years with him. क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से ये चाहे टेस्ट मैच क्रिकेट हो, चाहे वनडे क्रिकेट हो, चाहे T20 क्रिकेट हो, ये एक बहुत बड़े एंटरटेनर हो सकते हैं.
Absolutely. और पृथ्वी शॉ के बारे में हम जब बात करते हैं तो यू नो द बिगेस्ट इशू अबाउट पृथ्वी शॉ, द बिगेस्ट प्लस पॉइंट इज दैट आज के ज़माने के स्लैम बैंक क्रिकेट में Prithvi Shaw doesn't play the so-called ulta-pulta cricket. He plays shots which are very, very pleasing to the eye. और एक-एक ओवर में एक-एक बड़े-बड़े bowlers के confidence वो खत्म कर सकते हैं. इतना अच्छा बैट्समैन ये पृथ्वी शॉ है. And talking about Prithvi Shaw, let's quickly take a look at his T20 records, and which will tell you the numbers are not much there, but the fact is that you know he is a batsman who can change the concept of a game. He can literally change the game in just a moment's time. Ajay.
Absolutely, Sanjeev. I think the biggest thing about Prithvi Shaw is that he plays, orthodox cricket. उनके पास जैसे आपने कहा cricketing shots हैं. Last game was his debut. He didn't get any runs. And at times they say जब आप debut में आपका run नहीं बनता ना, वो भी एक lucky omen है. There have been many great batsmen जो पहले मैच में, of course, it's just about अब आगे उनका सफर कैसा रहता है. But I think he's got class. Just recently, Vijay Hazare Trophy mein, when he was playing domestic cricket, the kind of batting he was displaying was unbelievable. क्योंकि he was dominating. He reminded me of someone like Sachin Tendulkar in his early days. जैसे वो खेल रहे थे straight bats, जो timing उनका था was so good. And luckily I had a opportunity to talk to him. And I think the best thing what I liked, when I had a word with him, Sanjeev, was कि उन्होंने कहा कि I want to make a comeback into the Indian side for Test match cricket. Now that's I think the biggest thing, because Australia में हम सब जानते हैं जब उनको मौका मिला वो ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाए. He got out, but he had a great start to his Test career. Not to forget that. I remember his West Indies. He started his Test career at a very young age of 17. और उसके बाद he got hundreds as well. पर जब आप बाहर होते हैं ना, then वो एक ठोकर लगती है, और जब वो ठोकर लगती है आपसे सीखते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं फिर आप एहसास होता है कि जी हाँ, हमें वापस कैसे आना है. एंड देन ही गॉट लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ रन्स इन डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट. विजय हजारे में फिर अब यहाँ पे उनको मौका मिला है, और ये सीरीज अभी रंग में नजर आए. वनडे में ही वाज बैटिंग वेल, बट आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट थिंग नाउ इज बिकॉज ही इज गोइंग टू इंग्लैंड. मुझे लगता है कि एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी उनके पास हो सकती है, बिकॉज दिस मैन हैज गॉट क्लास.
He's got class, there is no doubt about it. And the best thing about him is that he's got the ability to hit good balls to the boundary.
Yeah.
Now, to convert a good ball into a boundary ball, that means you've got some class. And, he's played international cricket. He's shown us that he's mentally strong as well, because at international level, being mentally strong is the most important thing. And he is. I think he was having a technical problem and he's worked on it. They're saying that he's worked with Praveen Amre on it. But I would just like to add one more thing, that he scored runs only in one-day cricket.
Yeah,
right.
If you're talking about Vijay Hazare, if you're talking about one-day internationals that he played in Sri Lanka, he looked very good.
Yeah.
How does he cope in test match cricket, in days cricket, is still to be seen. But I hope that he's overcome that problem.
Yeah,
I really hope, because I really
that's
love
a very
him.
good point Manipal made, because I remember having covered domestic cricket. I remember a couple of years back, I remember a game where Mumbai were playing and it was a green track. Ajinkya Rahane was captaining Mumbai, if I remember correctly, and this young lad Prithvi Shaw got 100 in that game. And Ajinkya Rahane said, said in that game, कि ये लड़का अलग है. After the game, because जब आप ऐसे विकेट में, एक ट्रिकी विकेट में ग्रीन टॉप पे आप रन बनाते हैं डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट में भी, that shows the class you have. I remember Ajinkya Rahane, both the innings got out very early in that game. I think it was versus Odisha in Bhubaneswar on a very green track. The game finished in 2.5 days. पर ये लड़के ने 100 किया. So I think he's got the elements, he's got the ability. इनके पास वो potential है. Just that when he makes a comeback, making a comeback is always more difficult, and Manipa knows that. But I think he can succeed in.
पता नहीं आप लोगों को लग रहा है या नहीं, मुझे तो लग रहा जरूर, एक फीलिंग आ रहा ना जरूर कि ये सहवाग और सचिन बैटिंग कर रहा है ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज यू सी मनी एंड अजय आर ऑलरेडी ऑन फायर एंड दैट्स द रीजन वी ऑल लव मनिंदर सिंह. ही इज ऑलरेडी टेकन माय क्वेश्चन, इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ बिग थॉट. But the one thing, which people who are following his career closely might say is that there is a certain chance which Prithvi Shaw gives when you bowl really fast at him, you aim for his head, you push him on the back foot, you do not give him that extra second to come to the front foot. Money.
See, basically, if it's happened a couple of times, people start talking about it, but I think he's got it in him. That's why I said being mentally strong at international level is very, very important. And, if you're mentally strong, then you overcome these kind of problems as well.
Right.
And once he starts getting runs, he'll get that confidence. We'll start talking about that, he's managed it so well and, he's worked hard at it. Because it's just a matter of time. And, when you have the class and you get into a disciplined mode,
right,
then everything keeps coming back
and
to you.
Also, Sanjeev, it's always a learning curve, because देखिए बड़े से बड़ा बैट्समैन जो हुआ है, दिग्गज बैट्समैन जो हुआ, विराट कोहली का उदाहरण लीजिए. जब पहले टूर में गए इंग्लैंड में, वो स्ट्रगलिंग, कैसे वो चेज कर रहे थे, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बाहर आउट हो रहे थे एंडरसन को, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट सीरीज ही प्लेड इन इंग्लैंड, he was a different batsman. So you learn from your mistakes. अगर आपको पता है कि मेरी में क्या गलती है, मैं कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकता हूं, और आजकल तो आपके पास इतने you can see your videos, एनालिटिक्स, आपके पास कोचेस होते हैं, बैटिंग कोचेस होते हैं, आपको गाइड करते हैं, आप नेट में जाके प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. So I think if he is developing that, he is working on his game, if he is focused, you can see a different Prithvi Shaw in Test match cricket as well.
Right. और हम इतने बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन देखिए ज्यादा कुछ खेले हैं नहीं. 6 ODIs, which the numbers are showing 189 runs and highest is 49. But the fact is, when he's on a roll, he can simply change the facet of any game. Now, 5 test matches, 339 runs, best of 134. और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने टेस्ट क्रिकेट में कमाल दिखाया, early days one would still say a long way to go. But if he does perform the way he can, अगर वो अपना potential fulfill कर पाते, तो उनसे तो मुकाबला करना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. और हाफ द पीपल हु वॉच हिम, पृथ्वी शॉ फैंस, कहते हैं कि पृथ्वी शॉ सचिन आलारे जैसा फीलिंग देता है, जैसे सचिन पाजी बैटिंग कर रहा है, जैसे अजय मेहरा ने कहा. द अदर हाफ आर सेइंग ऑलरेडी इट्स अ वीरू, दे रिमाइंड हिम ऑफ अ वीरू. ऑफ कोर्स वी गोना कम बैक टू पृथ्वी शॉ एंड दिस इज गोना बी एन एंडलेस डिबेट. सचिन जैसा बैटिंग करता है, वीरू जैसा बैटिंग करता है. मैं तो कहूंगा पृथ्वी शॉ जैसा बैटिंग करता है. लेकिन कोई और भी है जिनके बारे में हम जिक्र करेंगे. मनीपा, स्काई इज द लिमिट. देखिए, काफी इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में आजकल जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है, इज अ लेट ब्लूमर, आई वुड से, एज फार एज इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट इज कंसर्न्ड. बट सूर्य कुमार यादव इज शोइंग दैट इफ यू हैव अ ड्रीम and you want to pursue day in, day out, doesn't matter whatever your age is, you can still make it to the top. And the way he's batting, जैसे मैदान का राजा है.
He's become more disciplined now, because he was with Mumbai Indians. I was connected with Mumbai Indians for a couple of years in 2011, 2012. And, he was a careless kind of a cricketer, who had a lot of talent. You could see that he's got a lot of talent. He had a lot of time, but he was a bit careless. But as he's grown older, I think he's matured. थोड़े से mature हुए हैं, थोड़ा सा समझे हैं कि अगर actually adulation चाहिए तो international cricket खेलना होगा. और जिस तरह से अब वो खेल रहे हैं, I think ये इंडियन जो क्रिकेटर्स यंगस्टर्स आ रहे हैं ना, ये इस ब्रीड में है, fearlessness. You know, if you see him batting in one-day internationals, whatever his international cricket he's played, T20 cricket, he comes and he just bats fearlessly, and you know, it's like batting as if even if I get out, it doesn't really matter. And I remember a lot of young cricketers these days are playing cricket like that, and which is very important, you know, because that releases the pressure off your head. And this is exactly what Surya Kumar Yadav
I want to ask you, Mani, you know, we've all grown up watching you a little bit and read so much about you, heard a lot about you from people like Bishan. The fact is that you were also said to be a fearless cricketer. When you confronted somebody like Vivian Richards for the first time in your career, you know, we've heard stories, we've read stories that you were also fearless. Half the Indian team was possibly not in the same mood as you were. What is that special thing which tells you that even as a youngster, मुझे कोई डर नहीं लगता, जितना भी बड़ा प्लेयर हूं मैं तो अपना गेम खेलूंगा? What is the secret to this?
I think for me, that at that time the secret was, you know, I played a lot of domestic Delhi cricket. And you know, they were vultures in Delhi cricket. When I was bowling to them, it was so difficult to bowl at them because, you know, they could hit anything out of the ground at any time. So that was an advantage that I had. I think the only mistake that I made in life was that, you know, to reach the top is not all that difficult. But,
right.
you know, when you're there and you want to stay there, you got to work 10 times harder, probably, which I didn't do. And that is why, you know, didn't have the career that I should have had. But yeah, that fearlessness is, you know, when you, number one, when you played against players like when I played in domestic cricket. And then I used to work very hard. I'll bowl a lot of overs in the nets. You know, I used to bowl to batsman number one until the end, till it used to get dark. So the more you bowl, the more confidence you get, was the motto that I used to have at one time.
Right.
And that is why you become fearless, because you worked hard at your game. But this breed, I think, you know, playing IPL, playing with so many international cricketers, being with so many international coaches, I think that has also helped. And, you know, the present lot of Indian cricketers, when they go and play their IPL matches,
right.
I think they help these youngsters being the way they are.
Ajay, you know, to add to this, the fact that, of course, he's got a chance, he's in his 30s and he's just started blooming as far as the national team is concerned. But, you know, how do you see this spot? Because the number 4 position, as far as India's limited overs option is concerned, it still seems to be a slot which is a little dodgy in the sense sometimes you have Manish Pandey come in, somebody else coming in, you know, and a couple of players who are out of the reckoning because of fitness or injury issues. How important is it for Surya, or Sky as we call him fondly, to make the best of this?
You know, I feel at the moment, Sanjeev, he's in the peak of his form because the way he's batting, you know, I've seen him get runs. And the best thing about him is whenever he's batting, you'll see normally the strike rate is over 100. Of course, in T20 is much higher as compared to one days. But he's got the shots, you know, he's got the caliber. He can just play all around the park. His wrists are really tremendous. We saw on the one-day games as well. मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप फॉर्म आपकी अच्छी है, and I think that is exactly what the coach or the selectors would be eyeing, कि अगर आपकी फॉर्म अच्छी है, so the number 4 spot should go to that man, because you know if you can get quick runs, अगर आपकी जल्दी विकेट पे आप खोते हैं, you need a man who can just, you know, make up you know those overs अगर शुरू में इतने रन नहीं आते. And he's got, you know, that advantage. Surya Kumar Yadav, एक तो उनकी reach बहुत बढ़िया है, he can play with the straight bat as well, he can play all around the park. So मुझे लगता है कि, you know, he's got the class behind him, and that's the reason, you know, the selectors as well are sending him to England, because अगर आपके पास वो talent है, और ये talent exceptional नजर आता है, you know, it's just not about talent, because there's so many talented cricketers all round, but एक जब एक्स्ट्रा आपको कुछ नजर आता है वो इस लड़के में है. और लगता है कि यू नो व्हाट आई सॉ अबाउट हिम, यू नो व्हेन आई सी हिम, कि इनकी आई इतनी बढ़िया है, यू नो ही रीड्स द बॉल सो अर्ली, एंड दैट्स अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ गुड बैट्समैन एंड अ स्पेशल बैट्समैन और अ ग्रेट बैट्समैन, कि आप जितनी जल्दी वो लेंथ को पकड़ लेते हैं एंड द पोजीशन यू गेट इनटू, दिस मैन हैज गॉट दैट, Surya Kumar Yadav.
Absolutely that, and that's the reason we are talking a fair bit about Surya Kumar Yadav or Sky, and Sky in fact indeed is the limit for Surya Kumar Yadav. How much he goes on to make the most of these chances, वो देखा जाएगा, वो आगे जाते हम देखेंगे. लेकिन एक बात तो जाहिर है कि from you look at Surya Kumar Yadav's rise, and it is a very very clear indication कि audition पास करने के लिए, क्लियर करने के लिए एज का कोई बात नहीं होता. If you are talented, age is never a barrier which is going to stop you from reaching your dreams. That's exactly what Surya Kumar Yadav has done. And let's now listen into what exactly Sky thought about the current series and how he's shaping up as far as his cricket is concerned.
Everyone dreams of playing for India, and it has been a lot of effort, a lot of grind, a lot of patience behind this, and it has been worth the wait. and I'm really happy about it. From here on, how I built it, it's all in my hands, and I'm really excited for the journey ahead. उसी बात का डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है क्योंकि फर्स्ट गेम जैसे मैंने स्टार्ट किया उससे मुझे अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस मिला और सेकंड गेम परफेक्ट सिचुएशन था वहाँ पे टू विन अ गेम फॉर द टीम बट या दैट टाइम आल्सो इट वाज नॉट द वे आई प्ले एंड आई गॉट आउट रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड विद दैट बट एंड इन द थर्ड गेम आल्सो अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी था आज भी विकेट्स वेर फॉलिंग फ्रॉम वन एंड टू होल्ड वन एंड ट्राई एंड प्ले टिल द एंड बट couldn't do it. I think that's two things I'm really keeping in mind. How do I build from here? But yeah, that's how you learn and move forward. I've always been batting the same way as I'm batting right now. But yeah, after I came to Mumbai Indians 2018, things started changing a bit. I got to know what's my responsibility is, how do I go about my game, how can I take it one step ahead. So that's when I started practicing even more, talk to all the players who knew me really well from last 5-6 years. And I'm really happy with the way things are going. And talking about the strokes, I think I've been a Mumbai boy. So whenever you grow up in Mumbai, the types of wicket you get over there in club games and in domestic cricket, they are very challenging. So there you automatically have to think what strokes you have to play on those kind of wickets, and the same thing I have been carrying to international stage as well, and I'll be doing the same thing, just trying to keep things simple, following my routines, what process I do before the game, during the matches, what I think during that time. Just want to keep it simple.
And the big thing which you learn from Surya Kumar Yadav's career and the way his phenomenal rise to the Indian team is that talent के लिए कोई कट ऑफ एज नहीं होता. रिमेंबर दैट. यूनिवर्सिटी में हो सकता है मार्क्स के लिए, टैलेंट हो तो कोई एज का कोई कट ऑफ बात नहीं होता. हम लोग अब इंडियन टीम के बारे में बात करेंगे, लेकिन आज एक लेजेंड के बारे में भी अभी थोड़ा बात करेंगे. टुडे इज द 28th of July and ऑल टाइम ग्रेट, अ लेजेंड ऑफ टेस्ट क्रिकेट, द फॉर्मर वेस्ट इंडियन लेजेंड, अ जायंट ऑफ द गेम्स, Gary Sobers. Today, on behalf of Doordarshan Sports, we are wishing him a very, very happy birthday. और क्या प्लेयर था, a batsman, a bowler, a fielder per excellence, left-handed batsman who hit 6 sixes in a row. You will remember of Malcolm Nash. That's his stats. Today he's turned 85. Sir Gary, 93 test matches. The first person to reach 8,000 runs, 8,032 runs. Highest score of 365 not out in one of his early games against Pakistan way back in the late 50s. And what a bowler he was. He used to bowl left-handed. He could bowl. मनी, एक बात बताओ, इतने सारे आजकल हम लोग कहते हैं कि मिस्ट्री बॉलर एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. सर गैरी अभी होता तो क्या होता? लेफ्ट आर्म ऑर्थोडॉक्स स्पिन, रिस्ट स्पिन, हाँ, उसके साथ फास्ट मीडियम. अब क्या कहते हो उसको?
देखिए, ये तो आज के टाइम में जब T20 क्रिकेट है तो आई थिंक ही वुड हैव बीन आई मीन ही वाज अ लेजेंड एनीवे, बट ही वुड हैव बीन नंबर 1 पिक फॉर एनी टीम.
प्राइसलेस
बिल्कुल प्राइसलेस रहते हैं. और क्योंकि आपको मीडियम पेस भी कर देते, जैसे आपने बताया, स्पिन में भी, चाइनामैन में भी डाल देते, स्पिन भी कर देते, लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन. फील्डर ब्रिलियंट थे, इसमें कोई डाउट की बात ही नहीं है. क्योंकि मुझे याद है सुनील गावस्कर का जो पहला दौरा था 1971, उसमें उन्होंने जब कैच छोड़ा था तो सुनील गावस्कर आज भी उसके बारे में जिक्र करते हैं कि अगर वो कैचेस ना छोड़े होते, 1-2 कैचेस
शायद उन्हें दूसरा
मौका नहीं मिलता. सो वो लकी रहे क्योंकि वही 2-3 कैच उन्होंने जिंदगी में छोड़े थे जो सनी भाई के थे, सुनील गावस्कर के थे. अदरवाइज दे से दैट एनीथिंग इन द एयर क्लोज टू हिम, इट कुडंट गो पास्ट हिम. और बैटिंग में तो उनका जवाब ही नहीं था. सो आई थिंक ही वाज वन ऑफ दोस क्रिकेटर्स. Unfortunately, we missed seeing him back. Seeing play cricket.
Yeah, absolutely. My father went to West Indies 62 and he was with that team. Frank Worrell was the captain. And my father had a lot of stories to tell about him. एक तो कहते थे, his body was like rubber. इतने flexible थे. And ऐसे मन्नीपा जैसे कह रहे थे, लेफ्ट आर्म सीम, उसके बाद लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन डालते थे. उसमें उस टाइम तो खैर सीम की इतनी जरूरत थी नहीं, कि वेस्ट इंडीज के इतने ग्रेट्स थे, someone like वेस्ली हॉल, ग्रिफिथ, उनके पास they had some great bowlers. तो पर मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं his batting also abilities, जैसे वो शॉट्स खेलते थे. और उनको कहते हैं मेडन ओवर डालना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है उस टूर पे. नो इंडियन बॉलर ग्रेट इंडियन टीम में थे, उनको मेडन ओवर डालना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है. एंड व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू ड्राइव स्पेशली ऑन द ऑफ साइड, दैट वाज अ ट्रीट टू वॉच. सो really a legend.
He was the original OG. You would know this, Mani. We'll come back to this later. OG. He was the OG of the offside, the original god of the offside, Sir Garfield Sobers. I was wishing him a very, very happy 85th birthday on behalf of everyone out here at Doordarshan Sports. And what a play he was. और एक बात क्या जाते जाते कहना चाहूँगा, एक याद होगा आपको ज़रूर ये adage, the all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Sir Gary Sobers एक बार बहुत अच्छे खेल रहे थे उनके टीम, लेकिन वो पार्टी करने निकले थे काफ़ी देर बाद। काफ़ी देर मतलब जिस दिन मैच था उस दिन सुबह वापस आए टीम होटल, नहाए धोए, ब्रश किए, सीधा चल दिए मैदान पे और जाके ताबड़तोड़ बल्लेबाजी की. That's the legend, and it's not just a legend; it's a real
scored 100
legend.
in that game.
And he scored 100 in that game. On that, very, very little time left. Mani, we spoke about Prithvi, we spoke about Surya Kumar Yadav. Anybody else who's caught your eye, you think could be a big asset to India's T20 team for the World Cup later this year?
I think the T20 team is more or less settled. I don't think there's going to be many changes. But in times to come, I think Rahul Chahar is going to be a bowler who's going to make a mark, because I think he's going to be the match winner. We've got Chahal, and if you have Rahul Chahar along with him, it's going to be great in times to come.
What about you?
Yeah, absolutely. I think Rahul Chahar, because he's got the height, unke paas wo bada advantage hai. And the good thing is that Indian crop, if you dekhe, jo spinners are, leg spinners are, even someone like, one man who's doing very well in the domestic circuit is Ravi Bishnoi. Again a very decent leg spinner. So, this is always good signs for a country ki aapke paas itne backup options hai, itne achhe spinners are hain. But, of course, I think the best thing what I saw in the last T20 was Bhuvneshwar Kumar. His coming back into form, the way he bowled, picking up 4 wickets for 22. I think those are good signs for Indian cricket.
Absolutely. On that note, I must acknowledge that I had a wonderful session today with Manipa and Ajay Ji, as we call him, Ajay Mehra and Maninder Singh. Thank you very, very much. It's been a very insightful discussion all of us had right here on Crick Live. Its time is really up on this show, as particularly this one is concerned, but we will be back soon with lots more of high voltage sports programming right here on Doordarshan Sports. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors, stay home. Goodbye.